Hey guys, a really fresh good morning from my side. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today we are going to learn about how to mute or block people on Twitter. So to do that, firstly open your Twitter app. After opening your Twitter app, open the profile of the person whom you are going to mute or block. After opening the profile of the person whom you are going to mute or block, here you can see the three dot on the top right corner. Here are the lot of options, but we are focusing on mute and block. So to mute, just click on mute. You won't be able to get any notification from that person, or you won't see that person again in your Twitter feed. So to block, again click on the three dots of the top right corner and click on block and just block the person. So that's it. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.